Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to manage our permissions on VIVO V29 Lite. Firstly, go into the settings. Now go into privacy, permission manager, let's say calendar, and these apps are allowed to access the calendar, these are not. You can change it for some apps just simply by tapping on the app and then changing to allow, or from allow to don't allow. Also, we can do it by the app, not by the kind of thing that you grant access to. So let's go into apps, see all, let's say Android Auto, permissions, and these apps are allowed to access the Android Auto. Android Auto is allowed to access these things, and we can change it the same way as I showed you earlier. So here and here. Also, if you tap on the three dots in the right corner, going to all permissions, it's going to show you all permissions that this app has. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.